Where do you hang out?
Well,
Making it quick. I'm gonna make a noise, then you're gonna make a noise.
Okay.
Make a noise, make a noise.
What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh,
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my
Libra.
Virgo.
So you're Virgo. So it's almost the same thing. They're very close in signs.
Yeah.
It's equalization. Two different hands. Holding one holds a steak knife, the other one.
I am
That's
guilty.
what I always love. There's a low level of shame.
Yeah. The Duke. What was that?
House, I opened them up, and now we have effervescent sense of the tropics in my household. We did that. I like that.
Pandemic. Someone who probably smells just, like $1 million. Furl.
Well, I went into Red Lobster.
Boom again. I love that.
And, with all the walking.
super strong. I'm a little worried about Eddie.
Not a big meat eater.
Well, you don't need anything else. I think
Job ever. So he helped me a lot. Dealing.
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and
You read it?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.